that quick.
Well.
Oh, you're here.
I am.
Did you know about this?
No.
You didn't know. You didn't know.
I don't give anybody a heart attack. So I caught him on his bike. I'm like, where's your dad?
That's so funny.
Nobody picked you up.
No, because I have a rental car that has never lost.
Really? Donna!